It's probably Iowa Interstate.
That's the express train.
No, it's not. No, that's not the Metro.
It's probably Amtrak.
Look.
Wait a minute. What is that? That's the express train. He's parking for the night.
Holy dang, dude.
That's the express train. He's